Goddamn 285 got money, goddamn last night, motherfucking money truck, goddamn throwed all that motherfucking money out there. And they goddamn on the radio talking about what a nigga would have did with all that motherfucking money. You know what I would have did with? I would have spun that shit, bitch. Fuck the police. Police had to goddamn come chain me, come goddamn handcuff. I don't give a fuck. I would have been in every motherfucking dope hole, strip club, goddamn mom and pop store. You know they don't give a fuck about you showing ID by nothing, nigga. I be getting that motherfucking money. And then they go talking about would you give it back? Fuck no. I wouldn't give it back. God just blessed me, bitch. That's what he just did. Why should I goddamn go against what God did for me? Y'all fucking with me.